Hello, good morning, one and everyone. Standard 12 Commerce, subject Statistics Part 2, in which we start now chapter number 3, that is normal distribution. Elements of statistics, normal distribution, chapter number 3. This normal distribution is continuous type, probability distribution of continuous type random variable, right? The normal probability distribution is continuous type probability distribution. The probability density function of this probability distribution is given by fx equal to 1 upon sigma square root of 2 pi e raised to minus 1 upon 2 x minus mu upon sigma whole square, where minus infinity less than x less than infinity. This mu read as mu and this is read as sigma. These are Greek letters or phenomena or symbol which we use in normal distribution, where mu is the mean of the normal distribution and sigma standard deviation of the normal distribution. Mu and sigma are the parameters of the distribution. When the constant which we use in normal distribution, pi equal to 3.1416 and e means 2.7183. Now z, with the normal variable we create standard normal variable. Standard normal variable z is given by x minus mu upon sigma, and therefore the probability distribution for standard normal distribution is also given by fz equal to 1 upon root of 2 pi e raised to minus 1 upon 2 z whole square. For this standard normal distribution, value of mean mu is 0 and value of standard deviation sigma equal to 1, where minus infinity less than z less than infinity. And for the standard normal variation, the standard values are q1 minus 0.675, q3 0.675 with plus sign, qd equal to 2 by 3 and md mean deviation 1 by 5. These are the standard values for the standard normal distribution. This is basic information for normal distribution. Now we take the important properties of normal distribution. Important properties of the normal distribution. The normal distribution is for the continuous type random variable. Mu and sigma are the parameters of this distribution. For a normal distribution, there is no skewness, means skewness is 0. For a normal distribution, values of mean, median and mode are coincide, means mean equal to median equal to mode, means x bar equal to m equal to mo. For a normal distribution, quartiles are at the equidistant from the value of median, means q3 minus m is equivalent to m minus q1. Therefore, q3 plus q1 equal to twice m. 2 times m equal to q3 minus q1, and that is why m equal to q3 plus q1 upon 2. This is quartiles are at equidistant from the value of median. Now, normal curve or this probability distribution, normal curve is symmetrical curve, bell-shaped curve, normal curve, and which is asymptotic. It never touches to the x-axis on both sides. This is plus infinity, this is minus infinity. For the center line, z equal to 0 means x bar equal to m equal to mode. From both sides of the center line, the area is 0.5 on right hand side and 0.5 on left hand side, right? Now, for a normal distribution, q1 is approximately mu minus 0.675 times sigma, q3 equal to mu plus 0.675 times sigma, and for a normal distribution, quartile deviation is 2 by 3 sigma and mean deviation 4 by 5 sigma. The total area covered under the normal curve is 1. Total area is means minus infinity से लेकर plus infinity तक the total area area become 1, means total probability is 1. And area from for the either side of the center line, minus infinity से लेकर 0 तक और 0 से लेकर infinity plus तक, area is 0.5. Means probability minus infinity less than 0 equal to p, 0 less than z less than infinity equal to 0.5. Now some standard areas under the normal law are as follows: mu plus or minus 1 sigma 0.6826, mu plus or minus 2 sigma 0.9545, mu plus or minus 3 times sigma 0.9973, mu plus or minus 1.96 times sigma 0.95, and mu plus or minus 2.58 times sigma equal to 0.99. These are some standard areas or some standard values of mu and sigma. Please be prepared well. This is the basic fundamental and foundation of this chapter. Normal probability distribution is the important chapter in our syllabus of statistics part 2. So be prepared well and please be prepared with the written practice also. See you. Thank you everyone. Okay.